Hello everybody, this is Mr. Enyart.
And Evelyn.
And this is a special edition video for Bring Your Child to Work Day during quarantine, hence the video. So we're going to go over a couple questions on Evelyn's daily warm-ups that she does during this time in a workbook she has on bar graphs and probability. Oh yeah. So should we get to it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Number 1. Look at the bar graph. The graph shows the number of hot dogs sold by a hot dog vendor. On which 2 days were a total of 29 hot dogs sold?
All right, so what do you think we should do first?
I think we should write down the amount of hot dogs sold for each day.
Okay, how many were sold on Monday?
17.
How many were sold on Tuesday?
22.
And what about Wednesday?
17.
Thursday?
7.
And Friday?
21.
All right, so we've done that. What's our goal?
To find which 2 days sold a total of 29 hot dogs.
Very good. So, which 2 days? So looking at Monday and Tuesday, we have 17 and 22. Do those two numbers total to be 29?
No, that totals to be 39.
All right, so do you see any 2 days that equal 29 when you add them together?
Yes, 22 and 7.
And what days are those?
Tuesday and Thursday.
And what option was that?
B.
So, Tuesday and Thursday together had a total of 29 hot dogs sold. Let's look at question 2.
Question 2. Sue is playing a spinner game with her grandson. It took Sue 4 spins to land on the color brown, 6 spins to land on the color red, 8 spins to land on the color blue, and 6 spins to land on the color green. Based on these results, what is the probability that Sue's spinner will land on the color blue the next spin?
So what do you think we should do first?
I think we should add up all our numbers to get our denominator.
All right, so let's see. We have the number 4 for brown, 6 for red, 8 for blue, and 6 for green. What does 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 equal?
Well, 4 plus 6 is 10, and 10 plus 8 is 18, and 18 plus 6 is 24.
24. And why is that the denominator? Why is that the bottom number, not the top number?
Because it's probably going to be bigger than, well, it is bigger than the amount of spins that Sue took to land on the color blue.
What goes on the bottom of a fraction?
A denominator.
And what is the denominator for? What does it tell you?
It tells you our whole number.
It tells you the total number it takes to make a hole. So one whole turn of the game would consist of 24 spins. That's the total. Now what do we need to do?
We need to we need to figure out how many spins it took her to land on the blue, and it said 8.
Okay, so blue spins were 8. Where do we write 8?
On top of the line. And there isn't an 8/24, so we'll have to reduce the fraction.
All right, so how do we reduce a fraction?
We need to find the greatest common factor. And in this fraction, the greatest common factor would be 8, because you can divide 8 by itself, which would equal 1, and you can divide 24 by 8, and that would equal 3. So our reduced fraction would be 1/3.
So B. All right. Well, there you go, guys. Hope it was helpful.
Happy Bring Your Kid to Work Day.
Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.